Have you considered stopping? Thank you. Jesus. Merry Christmas! Why are you braking? Oh, your goodness. I guess you're not going there, AC photo? No, you're gonna go here. Alright. Pick one. Stop! Hi! Hi, Grandpa! Hi, how you doing? Thank you. You Merry friggin' Christmas to you, too. Yeah, everybody goes straight from the turn lane. Not a problem. Not a problem. Did you run the red light? Stop sign? Whatever. You ran a stop sign. You ran a stop sign. You ran a stop sign. Hi, hello, they don't have a stop sign. Look at Mumsy. Go, go, go. Not through a red light, but go. Did you run the red light? Your old stop. Why are you driving in the gutter, stupid? And the right and red, Toyota. Faithful friend. Hey, that wasn't nice. It's not a parking space. That is not a fucking parking space. Wow. That's an exit dive. This is a tailgater. We're in the right on red. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you... You had the right to merge, stupid. Toyotards. Hi, someone's coming, stupid. Hello, thank you. Flex turd. Up to... Right. Good move, lady. U-turn dive. Jug handle dive. Exit regret left. Dum-dum. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, now he's taking a left. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Or did he take the left? There he goes. This is asshole plowing, and that was a red light runner. We're in the red on red. And so did you. Clean up the car, you lazy bastard. Clean up your car. You too. We're in the red light. You cut him off. He didn't have a stop sign. We're in the red light. Asshole. A little close and a little blinkerless. Clean off your car, asshole. Not like that. Illegal U-turn. Illegal U-turn. You are going to wait till it's green, aren't you? Nope. Flex turd. I ain't gonna wait either. Okay. Clean off your car, you camroid. Clean off your car. Is that a cutoff? Don't cut him off. Don't cut him off. Don't cut. Did you hear me? I told you not to cut him off. I don't think you stopped. I know you didn't clean up your car properly.